Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Vivo Y33T. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Vivo Y33T, a Y-series smartphone. Chinese company Vivo is unveiling Y33T to the market. Vivo Y33T, a Y-series smartphone. Chinese company Vivo is unveiling Y33T to the market soon. The smartphone company Vivo is launching a new device of its Y-series. The upcoming new smartphone will be in mid-range and will be a very powerful smartphone. The newcomer will be called Vivo Y33T. The smartphone will be powered by one of the latest chipsets available for smartphones in the market that is called Qualcomm SM6225 Snapdragon 684G, 6nm. Also, there is a powerful GPU of Adreno 610. The new Vivo's Y33T has got a 2.4 GHz octa-core processor under the hood of this handset. This new upcoming smartphone has a 6.8 inches screen size, which is a big screen display with an IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, and this device Vivo Y33T is going to have a full HD display with a resolution of 1080x2408 pixels. The newcomer will be running on the Android 11 operating system. The upcoming new Vivo Sharp Y33T is going to pack the upcoming smartphone with 8GB RAM, which is the highest point of RAM used in this smartphone, so you can say that your phone is going to run at a super fast speed because of its powerful RAM. Vivo has got 128GB of storage in Y33T, which means that the capacity of your data is unlimited. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a triple camera setup. The main sensor of the smartphone Y33T will be 50 megapixels, 2 megapixels, and 2 megapixels. The selfie shooter in this phone will be 8 megapixels to make taking selfies more easy and attractive with this new Y33T. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor will allow the Y33T to protect its data by only allowing the authorized person. The Y33T by Vivo will be fueled with a non-removable LiPo 5000 mAh battery that will carry support for fast charging of 18 watt. Samsung and other tech giants will face serious competition when this Vivo Y33T will release. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.